Hello friends, welcome back to Educated Learning. In this video, I am going to show you how to create and customize a radar chart in Excel. We will be comparing how 5 students performed in 5 subjects. So let's get started. Radar charts are fantastic for comparing multiple items across different categories. These charts also give us a clear visual of each student's strengths and weaknesses, making them a great tool for data analysis. First, we need to set up our data. I have organized the marks for 5 students across 5 subjects: English, Mathematics, Science, Social Science, and Drawing. Let's create the data chart. Highlight the data including the headers and marks for each student. Now go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Under the Charts group, find the data chart option. Excel offers 3 types of data charts. Basic data charts connects the data point for each student with lines. Data chart with markers are added at each data point to make values more visual. The field data chart shades the area under the lines, giving a strong visual impact. Let's go with the basic data chart for this example. Now that the chart is created, it's time to customize it for better readability. You can display the exact marks for each student. Just go to the chart elements and select data labels to show data. But I don't want to show data, so I will undo it. Next, click on the chart. Go to the chart styles and select a style that suits your needs. We will also pick a color for our chart from here. One great feature you can use in data charts in the filter option. This allows you to focus on a specific data points or compare only the information you want to analyze. To apply filter, select your data chart. In the top right corner of the chart, you will see a filter icon. It looks like a funnel. Click on it. This opens up a list of data. Here you can uncheck any data you don't want to display in the chart. For example, if you want to compare only 2 students instead of 5, just uncheck the other student's name, and the data chart will instantly update to reflect the changes. This feature is incredibly useful when you are dealing with large datasets, as it allows you to narrow your focus and customize the data presentation to your needs. Next, right-click on the chart and select Format Chart Area. Here you can set a border type, choose a border color, and increase the border width for a more defined look. Then go to the Effect options and add an inner shadow to give the chart a subtle depth effect. Now let's customize the chart title. Select the current title and replace it with your desired text. In this case, type Student Performance Comparison. Make sure to bold the text. Change the text color and set the appropriate text size. For more customization options, right-click the title and go to Format Chart Title. From here, you can further set the fill and border type. Choose their color. Increase the border width. Under Effect, there are more options, but I will leave those unchanged for now. Next, let's customize the legend. First, adjust the text size and bold the text to make it more visual. Then right-click on the legend and select Format Legend. From the legend position options, you can place it anywhere you want, but I will place it on the top. Under the Fill and Line section, you can further set the fill type. Here I select Pattern Fill and choose 90%. Border type, here I choose solid and select their color. You can even add effects like shadow or soft edges to enhance their appearance. Now moving on the data values. Increase the text size and change the text color to improve readability. Right-click on the axis and select Format Axis. Set the minimum and maximum values for the axis. Here I set the minimum value 30. Lastly, let's edit the category labels. Increase the text size Change the text color and bold them. Set a fill color to highlight the labels and make them stand out. Let's talk about the special features of radar charts. Radar charts help visualize performance across multiple categories at once, which is perfect for comparing students across different subjects. You can instantly see each student's strongest and weakest subjects, making it easier to identify areas that need improvement. Using the filter radar chart, you can clearly see which student covers the most area, giving a quick visual comparison. And there you have it. That's how you can create and customize a radar chart to compare student marks in Excel. This chart is an excellent tool to visually represent performance across multiple subjects. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Easy Learning for more useful tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.